YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys go check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. They'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's get down to business. Let's see what's inside. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are in prime time now for the holiday rush. And you might want to start looking now. Get some deals. We got Black Friday deals coming up. Going on now with Cyber Monday deals. And all the types of goodies. So all you gotta do is click the link down below. And this is coming from FlyPods, I do believe. True wireless earbuds. It says LED LED display case, super long use time, immersive sound, hi-fi, Bluetooth 5.1, ear catching sound quality, lightweight design, smart touch, waterproof, IPX5. That's a good kind. There's a lot of good stuff right there. I'll use my tablet, set it up. My other phone is charging right now, so I'll use this. But yeah, you can use it for your anything that with Bluetooth. So this would be good for like gym, an extra set you could just leave in your locker, so you know you have them always in there, or school, work, or even stocking stuffers. Nice design, easy to take out. That's a good thing. Ooh. Really nice design right here. Super lightweight, easy to carry, easy to travel with. Let's see if there's anything at the bottom. And it's so easy to take out. We got the goodies out. FlyPods. Check them out. USB. Hey, got the orange. And got some extra pieces for your earlobe. ASG. Not sure whose company this is, but we'll figure it out once I get this uploaded. Oh, it's ENOMIR. Enomar. It's like this. It's kind of hard to see, but it'll be corrected. User manual, and we know the stuff. What is it, English? Here's the front page. We got the charging case, LED display, charging port, touch control, charging case, power, earbuds. You get 3 pairs of ear tips, small, medium, and large. USB A to C cable, charging case, earbuds. Specs: Bluetooth version V5.1, Bluetooth range 15M, 49 feet. Charging time is about 2 hours. Music playback time is 7 hours at 75% volume. So if you have it higher than that, it might drain it a little bit more, but if you got your power banks and whatnot, you're all set. You're good to go. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for those. Let me grab my tablet. Got my tablet set up, and now we'll turn this thing on. But yeah, definitely nice. Ooh. Look at these bad boys. Got some shine, got the display right there. Oh yeah. These are nice quality. That's right. So at least it has a good amount of juice. I could test these out. USB goes in here. Just gotta plug it in and give it a charge. But it should be good to go. Like I said, it's set at 75%. Look at that. Tiny little guys. And now, where do I turn these on at? Alright guys, we got it connected right there. FlyPods. Definitely can't wait to hear these, how they sound. Well, excess pair. You can do, see, I gotta charge it up. It's getting low. So that's alright though. While I'm uploading this video, they will be charging. Like I said, you could do answer two-way calls. Make sure I get it left ear, right ear. Okay. These feel comfortable. And it's all touch control, so I gotta go YouTube. Let's see if I can find YouTube really fast. YouTube, baby. YouTube. There we go. I just hope I don't get no. There we go. I'll let you. Oh yeah. I wish you guys could hear it, because I mean, these sound amazing, guys. Really clear. Great bass. Vocals are good. Excellent, excellent. These are the pair to get. Definitely check them out. FlyPods. Catch them on the fly, guys, because they're going to be gone. That's how much these people love these. Especially for workouts, answering phones, Skype, Zoom, podcasts. You could use these for anything. Especially now these days. Definitely check them out. See, it's already connected. Bada boom. And like I said, with the holidays approaching, great stocking stuffers to get. Super lightweight. And can't get no better than that. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.